Have you ever been truly annoyed with an LLM? You told bad words, maybe even wrote the bad words to the LLM. Maybe ChatGPT thinks you hate him now. Well, probably this occurred because had something in your mind, and your mind were pretty descriptive of what you want, and the LLM did return anything with what you thought, and then uh, this occurs because of the statistical nature of LLM. So it just predicts the next word of set of words. And with that said, you need to iterate with LLM to have the response you want. So you just need to correct the LLM. So the LLM returns something, say, oh, I don't want exactly that, I want a bit different. And with that iterations, you end up having what you want. And with a process similar to that, you will end up having a good prompt that will mostly return what you want. But mostly, it is not deterministic. It can fail, it can return whatever thing that doesn't make sense. And then you can think, okay, so I can't use LLMs for my company, for example. I can't handle this risk. Well, there is technique that you can have another LLM verifying the output from one LLM. So it's similar to what we do as a society. You can, instead of having a big prompt and just take the output, you have a lot of what we call agents that will have their really well defined role, and some of those agents will verify the output from other agents. And with that, you can have better results and more accurate, uh, still statistical nature, verifying statistical nature. But this is huge. As Andrew NG said, I don't remember the research, I will add in the description. The the code generation using ChatGPT 3.5 can be better than ChatGPT 4 if you use LLM agents with the 3.5. And with that better accuracy, you can start using LLMs for actions. The name agents, it's because usually uh, this thing uses have actions to external systems. For example, it can go to the internet, it can integrate with some ticket system or wherever. There are a lot of really interesting startups using agents for legal markets, for help desk market, and for administrative markets. I will do a separate video about that, but we will add some links in the description as well. And the cool thing is the building blocks are already there. You don't need to wait for ChatGPT 6 to start building that. There are plenty of opportunities for that. And this is a new type of software, a non-deterministic type of software. But many things in your life are not that well defined. So as a senior software engineer, I experienced many times where bugs are created because you were not expecting a specific edge case. And with LLMs, you just will direct the agents and they will take care of this. Of course, there bugs will occur as well, but if you're not describing everything, you can have even a richer response, or even have things that are just impossible to implement every specific case. Uh, this would be really huge. And of course, you can't use this for everything. Uh, Handling payments on your bank account, at least I hope, will be always with deterministic software. But for many current use cases, this could be really interesting, and some other things that will bring immense value to society. So yeah, that's my first video, and I will start talking about LLMs and agents.